Yes, good morning, second class children. Yes, are you all ready with the Hindi class book notebook? Just close the science class book notebook and get back to the Hindi class and be ready. Okay. So, teacher yesterday I had given one worksheet. Have you done it? What is that worksheet? Yes, I asked you to draw any 5 pictures, isn't it? I had given the name of the pictures. See, listen children, once again I'll inform you about yesterday worksheet class. Soon after drawing, you do the coloring also. After coloring, after that drawing the pictures or coloring, no, you write the name of the picture. Whichever the picture you are drawing, you have to mention the name. You have to write the name of the picture. Understand? Whichever, if you draw machli, if you draw after that drawing the picture of fish, then you write the name of the word in Hindi, machli. Understand? Whichever the word, the name of the picture you are drawing, you have to mention the name. You have to name that picture. Okay? In Hindi and English, both. And color the picture also. Okay. Now today which class you are all waiting? Now which matra we are in? Fourth one. That is is no matra, a matra over, choti ki matra, badi ki matra also we are going to complete. So before we complete badi ki matra, I am going to give you the 2 question answers. Very simple question answers. You have to learn. You must have to do the practice of learning the question answers. Okay. So that is the reason teacher is giving that related matra question answers. Whichever the previous matra you had learned, a matra, choti ki matra, isn't it? Now we are learning which matra? Badi ki matra. So don't worry children. I am not going to cross that badi ki matra. That related matra only I am going to ask the questions. మీరు ఎవరు భయపడద్దు. టీచర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ అంటే ఎట్లా, మాకు ఇంకా మాత్రం కాలేదు కదా అలా అనుకోవచ్చు. నేను ఆ బడికి మాత్ర దాటలేకుండా మనం జరిగిన మాత్ర, దానికి ముందు నేను తీసుకున్నాం కదా ఆ మాత్ర, చోటికి మాత్ర, దానికి సంబంధించిన మాత్ర ఇప్పుడు నడుస్తుంది ఈ బడికి మాత్ర, దాని గురించి రిలేటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటుంది. ఓన్లీ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ యూ 2 questions. లిసన్ చిల్డ్రన్. జస్ట్ యూ రైట్ క్వశ్చన్ 1 time, ఆన్సర్ 2 times in the class work, not in the rough book. Okay. So please do the practice. Very simple questions I will ask you. You have to write. That is related to your Deepavali Ai Kavita. Is it clear children? I hope you are going to write very neatly question answers. You are going to start. Please, this is the first time you are going to write the question answers in this class second. Isn't it? So please try to write very neatly on the blue line. Okay. Don't cross the blue line. Please, I am telling you once again, don't write in the middle of the line or above the line. Okay. And please maintain your classwork very neat. And write the Kavita name, Deepavali Ai. Already you have highlighted, I think, so this name. Deepavali Ai. Okay. So, बात समझ में आ रहा? Now I am going to start the question answers. Okay. Get ready. First question. See, let me draw a lines. If I draw the lines, it is very clear for you all, because this is the first time you are writing the question answers, isn't it? Let me draw the lines. This is my margin line. Okay children, this is my margin line. Okay children, just only for you to understand this question. This is the first time you are going to write. See, look at your teacher and look at the board first of all. Neena. Okay. Please children, I think some children, they have the habit of writing the words, no? I will tell you. What they will do, they will write one letter and one matra, they will give. Otherwise, they will complete the word, they will give the big line. Please, this should not be followed. This is very bad habit. And don't drag the line, and don't break the letter while writing. Writing 2 letters, again after 2 letters, again you are dragging the line, extra line. No, this is also wrong. You complete the word children. I am telling you once again, as soon as any word you take, just complete the word, give that particular line only on the above. Okay. వర్డ్ ఎంత ఉందో అంత లైన్ ఇవ్వాలి. 1 2 లెటర్ రాయడము, మళ్ళీ గీతలు కొట్టాలి, మళ్ళీ దాన్ని బ్రేక్ చేయాలి, అలా చేయొద్దు. Don't break the letters and don't break the line. You people are doing that thing. I don't want to see this thing again in the class work, second class. Okay, any word. See, look at here. Teacher will write on the board. Just follow this. Look at here. Look at here. I didn't draw any line now. I am going to complete the word. Ki, kaku choti ki matra. Ki, sa, kaku aki matra. Right? I had complete. Now I am going to give the line. See, look at here. Only this much. The word, it is how many letters? 1, 2, 3 letters. Isn't it? With along with the matra hai. So, kiska. That is enough. Okay. Now next one. Kiska thal. Look at here. Tha. Don't touch the line for tha. This is here. Tha. Thal. Sajakar लाई. सजाकर लाई. नीना किसका थाल सजाकर लाई. Question mark. Okay. After that, leave a line for answer. Okay. Just leave a line for that. Now you write Neena. Write answer. Neena आरती का थाल. Look at your teacher. Look at the teacher on the board. How I am writing here. नीना आरती का थाल सजाकर लाई. Okay, I don't have the place, so I am going to write in the next line. Follow this. Enough. Hindi full stop. Okay. Again, leave one line. For the second question. नीना किसका थाल सजाकर लाई. नीना आरती का थाल सजाकर लाई. Okay. The next one. Second question. किसकी आरती गाई. किसकी आरती गाई. किसकी आरती गाई. राम सीता की आरती गाई. Okay. Leave one line and write राम सीता की आरती गाई. Can you able to follow? This is enough. Write 2 times. Question 1 time and answer 2 times. Okay. Is it clear, children? Now come on, say नीना किसका थाल सजाकर लाई. नीना आरती का थाल सजाकर लाई. Spell the word of Neena. You know how to learn the spelling of Neena? नाकु बड़ी की मात्रा नी. नाकु आ की मात्रा ना. नीना. Spell the word. आ र. ताकु बड़ी की मात्रा ती. आरती. काकु आ की मात्रा का. थाल. This is thal. You should not, while writing this thal, please listen, children. Again, once again, teacher, you should not touch to the line, to the letter tha. Look at here, to the straight line and to the la. That is enough. Thal. Okay. Follow this word. Thal. Sajakar. Sa. Ja को आकी मात्रा ज. क. र. सजाकर. सजाना मतलब क्या. Decorate. लाई. ला means, लाई means to get. Okay. ला को आकी मात्रा ल. ई. लाई. नीना आरती का थाल सजाकर लाई. किसकी आरती गाई. राम सीता की आरती गाई. Is it clear? The next question. Right? Question 1 time, answer 2 times. Now you follow the same way. Write on the line. Okay? Teacher had shown the 2 questions just now how to write. Place a finger gap and write very neatly. Okay? Third question. is 2 questions enough for you. We will go for the next bit. Okay, 2 questions are enough for you today. This is enough. We will go with the next exercise. Okay, make a new word. Make a new words and write. You should have to frame new words. Join the letter and frame a new words. You can write simple. Heading is frame a new words. Enough children. 2 questions are enough for you because now only you have started. If I give more than 2 question answers, you get more confused, and I don't want to go for to cross it again another mark line. Okay. So I want to stop. Now I had started the new heading for you. That is new exercise. Frame a new words. A. Okay. Come on, write down very neatly. Ma, ka. Then don't leave a line. Okay. Without leaving a line, you write la, ka, ka, ka. Next one. Ta, ga. Okay. Pa, ga. What is this, teacher? You may ask. Okay. Now nothing. I'll show you. Wait. Take the midline. Okay. Now just draw a line. Cross it. Okay. Now listen, children. Now what you should do? Again, you have to frame the words. Okay. Now listen here. Come on, write now. Ma, ka, daku badi ki matra, d. Join the letter. You will get the new words. La, ka, daku badi ki matra, d. Lakadi. Ka, daku badi ki matra, d. Kakadi. Tagadi. Ta, ga, daku badi ki matra, d. Tagadi. Pagadi. Pa, ga, daku badi ki matra, d. Pagadi. Okay, like this you have to frame the words. So, makadi, lakadi, kakadi, tagadi, pagadi. Okay, now one more. The next one is B. Ready? Da. It is very simple. You can do it. Ja. P. Okay. Im. Can you able to do it? Li. Okay. Now you have to frame the words. I don't have the place, so I am writing down. Join the da and li. Dali. Dali. Okay, it is a branch. Number 2. Jali. Okay. Number 3. Pili. Pili. 4th one, imli. 4th one, imli. Is it clear, children? Can you able to do it? Yes. I'll write very neat handwriting. Okay. So please follow those exercise and do it very neatly. So we are going to complete this exercise by today. E badi ki matra completed. Okay. So a matra completed, choti ki matra completed, badi ki matra also we are going to complete today. Okay. So from tomorrow we will start with the choti u ki matra. Okay. But before that again I will recap the tomorrow all the 4 matras. Okay. Then I will start the choti u ki matra. Okay. And tomorrow I will give you some homeworks also. What type of homework? Joining the letter and matra. Then afterwards I will start my choti u ki matra class. So previously, tomorrow as soon as before I start my new matra, I will explain the previous matra. Then I will give the homeworks. Then afterwards I will start the choti u ki matra. Okay, children. So that you will remember all the previous matra and it is very easy to understand the new matra. Is it clear? So, shall I close this class now? So, please keep on doing this practice. Hindi, it's a language. So, writing practice should be more and reading practice also should be more. Keep on writing and learning with the pronunciations. Okay? And please children, don't break the letters. While writing, complete the word and give a line. See, only 4 rules are there in Hindi. You have to follow it. One, you have to write on the line, blue line. Okay. So some children will get confused. Blue line means we should write below line. No. That is the reason teacher had drawn the line. I had shown you, isn't it? So you please maintain that line. Finger gap space. Okay. If it is question mark, you place a question mark. Okay. Number 2. What is the second rule? Yes, you should not write one letter dragging the line, second letter again. No. Complete the word and give a line. Okay. Number 3, third rule. Don't take the words in the cross position. Getting down, up to down or going up to again. Taking like a zigzag way. Please. All you have to curve this, all the mistakes while writing the Hindi language. Don't do this such mistakes while writing. Okay. And follow the correct margin line, follow the answer, place the finger gap and keep on writing and do the practice in the rough book without wasting your time. You have much time from morning to till evening, isn't it? So please spend 2 hours for Hindi class. See that why any child can't understand? Yes, obviously everyone can easily understand. Now you have much and more time, isn't it? You are not coming to school, you are at home with your parents. So that it is very easy to understand what teacher is explaining at home, and I am going very slow class, very slowly I am taking you. You have to follow your teacher words. Okay children, take care, and tomorrow we will start with the new exercise. Okay, thank you children.